Hi there, Anthony from Digital Creator here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own free website using Google Sites. All you need is a Gmail account, which if you don't have one already, you can create one using the link in the video description. For this tutorial, I'll be creating a gallery website filled with artworks from fellow digital creators, but you can do almost any other type of website you like. To start, head over to Google Sites using the link in the description or search for it on Google. Log in using your Google account details. Afterwards, you'll be taken to where you can see all the websites you've created. I'm going to create a new one by clicking the plus button in the bottom right corner. Now we're taken to where we can design our website. I'm going to start by giving my website a title and deciding how I would like to display my header. For the header's background, you can assign a custom image using the Change Image button here. I'm going to click the Select Image option to pick from one of the available images on the internet, but you can upload your own image as well. From here, I'll click the Search tab and type in the image I'm looking for, and then I'll click the Search button. You can also change your header type by hovering your mouse over the header and clicking the Header Type button. You can then choose from Cover, Large Banner, Banner, and Title Only options. I'm going to go with the Large Banner option for my site. Now let's start inserting different elements to populate our homepage. Go to the side panel and under the Insert tab, click any of the available elements that you wish to add to your page. I'll add a subheading by clicking the text box option and filling it in with my desired text. To change how your text is displayed, click on the text box, and where it says Normal Text, click on the drop-down arrow and select a different option. I'll choose heading for my case. You can also bold, italicize, and align your text accordingly by clicking the corresponding option while your text is selected. To select your text, click and drag out a selection indicated by what is highlighted, and then apply whichever styling you'd like. Next, I'll add some images using one of the predefined layouts in the side panel. Click on the plus button to assign an image to each block respectively. I'm going to upload my own image for this part. If you wish to adjust the image's position within each block, you can do so by clicking the crop icon here and moving your image as desired. You can click on any of the provided text boxes to add your own text, or you can remove them by clicking on the trash can icon. We now have some content on our website, but it would be ideal to customize the overall look and feel of our website by using a different theme. Click on the Themes tab to choose from one of the available themes. You can preview each one and customize the different font and color options by clicking on them accordingly. Another thing we can do to style our pages is to assign a background color variation to each of our page sections. You see, whenever we insert elements on our page, a page section is created to contain them and prevent elements from overlapping each other. It also plays a part in determining where images and text will be positioned when our website is displayed on different screen sizes. Move your mouse over the accordion section that you wish to style and click on the Painter's Palette icon. From here you can select different background colors, which are variations of your theme's main color. You can also reorder your sections to your liking by moving your mouse over a section and clicking and dragging the dotted grip icon. Now let's add some links to our website. I'd like to make it so whenever a visitor clicks on an image's heading, it will take them to another page filled with similar images. To do this, let's first create that page by clicking on the Pages tab and clicking the plus icon to create a new page. Name your page whatever you'd like. After creating a new page, we'll be navigated to it so that we can design it. I'd like to have something that will showcase different creators' artwork, like an image carousel. I'll just insert one by clicking the Insert tab, then clicking the Image Carousel option in the side panel. From here, I'm just going to upload a bunch of my images by clicking on the plus button and choosing Upload Image. Note that you can also position and scale elements by clicking and dragging them to where you would like. You can also click and drag their blue handles to stretch and scale them to the proper size. I'm finished designing this page for now, so I'll go back to the home page by clicking on the Pages tab and then clicking Home. We can now add that link I was talking about earlier by clicking an image or text and clicking on the Insert Link icon. I'll choose the new page I made and then apply the link. Let's confirm this link is working by previewing our website. You can do so by clicking the Site Preview button in the top bar. Note that this is only a preview of our finished website and it is not yet made available to everyone online to see. Right now we're viewing what our website will look like on desktop and laptop computers, but we can also get a preview of what our website will look like on smaller devices by switching our preview mode from the bottom right bar. I'm going to scroll down to my link now and verify that it's working by clicking on it. And surely enough, it's in working order. I'm going to exit preview mode now by clicking the X button in the bottom right bar. You now know everything you need to know to start designing the rest of your website. I've gone ahead and added some more content to my homepage and added a footer as well. You can also find some additional personalization options after clicking the gear icon in the top bar. When your site is ready to be displayed to the public, it's time to publish it. Do so by clicking the Publish button in the top white bar. We're now given the option to assign our website a Google Sites web address. Sadly, a custom web address like www.yoursite.com is not available for free. To get one, you'll need to purchase a domain name from a domain name provider like Google Domains or porkbun.com. For now, I'll just publish my website with the web address provided. To view your published site, click the down arrow besides the publish icon and then click View Published Site. And there you have it, your own website that you can share with others by sending them your web address. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you in every way possible, and if you'd like to share your website with us on social media, please do so using the hashtag #DigitalCreator. Have fun making websites, and I'll see you next time. Bye!